on a mission and now I can't find them. I need your help to locate where the pups are. We're right here, Ryder. What? Did you hear the pups? We're over here, Ryder. Do you guys know where that sound's coming from? It sounds like the pups. Turn around, Ryder. All I see is a bunch of cupcakes. Ryder doesn't see us. Ryder, we are the cupcakes. The pups have been turned into pupcakes. Will you help me turn them back to pups? Great! Okay, everyone, let's help Ryder turn the cupcakes back to pups. Let's start with this green cupcake. What pup do you think it is? I think it might be Rocky. Let's put him in our magic microwave and see. It was Rocky after all. Hi, Rocky. Oh boy, it feels good to be normal again. Thanks. Next, let's do this yellow cupcake. I think this might be Rubble. Oh, look, it is Rubble! Look at that. Hi, Rubble. Hello, everyone. Let's do this orange cupcake next. Who do you think this is? Put in the comments below who you think is the orange cupcake. Oh, look at Zuma! Hi, Zuma! So good to see you again. So good to see you too! Let's do this blue cupcake next. I think this might be Chase, because Chase loves to wear blue. Welcome back, Chase. I wonder who this red cupcake could be. Let's put him in the microwave and see. Oh, Marshall, it looks like you went for a spin. This pink cupcake must be Skye. It is Skye! Welcome back, pups! It's so good to see you again, and you're in your mission uniforms. Hey, thanks for helping me save the pups! That's all for this video. See you next time! To see more fun videos, subscribe! Bye, kids! We have all these colors and we're gonna paint my hand. How fun will that be? What color should we start with? Let's do red. Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Let's open the red. What color paintbrush should we use? Let's use this blue paintbrush. All right, here we go. Let's add some red glitter. Look how red my thumb is. Yellow color, where are you? Let's use this yellow paintbrush for our yellow color. Now let's add some yellow glitter. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red and yellow. Green color, where are you? Let's use this green paintbrush. Now for the green sparkles. Here I am, how do you do? Blue color, where are you? Let's do this red paintbrush. Now time for our blue sparkles. you do? Whoa, it's starting to look very colorful. What color should we do next? Let's do pink. Pink color, where are you? Let's use this green paintbrush. Now time for our pink sparkles. Here I am, how do you do? Whoa, look how colorful and shiny my hand is. I have a bowl of googly eyes. Let's stick some on my hand. Whoa, look how cool that is. Whoa, looks like an alien or a monster. Whoa, a silly one and colorful.